Hello friends, I am Dr. Neeru Kiran Banerjee, Senior Consultant Gynecologist practicing at Neeru Kiran Clinic, Palam and Dwarka Medview, Sector 6, Dwarka, New Delhi. Today we will be discussing about the management of PCOS. In last videos we have learned what is PCOS, what are the causes and how do we diagnose it. Now once we have diagnosed and we know that you are a case of PCOS, let's see how do we manage it. Day by day, the PCOS number are increasing, maybe because women are overlooking their internal health because of increased pressure of their career, their job, their household work, or maybe they are stressed out. So, we need more attention towards management and prevention and progression of complications and consequences of PCOS. We all know that there is no cure for PCOS. PCOS cannot be cured. It can only be managed through lifestyle modification and medicines. So, in simple way, it's only right eating habits and regular exercise which is the key to success. And when it comes to medicine, the treatment varies depending upon the different ways PCOS present. So, I will be discussing in detail about lifestyle modification, that is the diet and the exercise part in following videos. And when it comes to the medicine treatment, it varies according to their presentation and according to their priorities. For example, if a teenage girl comes with amenorrhea means she has not got her menses still. Or if she comes with irregular menses, the periods are delayed, and if she starts bleeding, it bleeds for a longer period of time, or if the bleeding is heavy, then she will need combined hormonal treatment. So these could be combined oral contraceptive pills. Here we are not talking of contraception, but we want to give her treatment which will regularize her periods. So that is about the teenage girls. Some girls might present with excess abnormal hair growth on their body. So here treatment will be little different, though they also need hormonal treatment. These could be the pills which contain spironolactone or cyproterone acetate. And apart from systemic treatment, that means orally she is taking tablet, she might need something to apply locally to get rid of her abnormal hair growth like eflornithine, etc. But you know, these tablets and the local application, they work slowly. It might take 6 months, 1 year, or maybe more than that. But if a girl has abnormal hair growth and excess hair growth on her chin or on her upper lip, then we cannot deny her of some method which will give her instant relief. Suppose she has to go to college, she has to go to some party or something. So she can very well go on with plucking, threading, or maybe shaving, or maybe laser treatment or something like that. So that also is a part of treatment in case of PCOS. Some girls present with acne. There is lot of acne. Maybe she is embarrassed because of the presence of acne, or maybe the acne are painful. So she will need special treatment for acne. She may go to dermatologist, she may go to gynecologist, but our aim is to diagnose the reason of hyperandrogenism which is causing acne, whether she is a case of PCOS or not, and then treatment accordingly. Some girls present with insulin resistance. So she may or may not be obese, because insulin resistance is very common in PCOS. They may be obese and they may be lean PCOS. So they will need insulin sensitizer medicines to regulate their glucose metabolism. Some girls come with the treatment of obesity. They are fed up because it's not easy to decrease weight in PCOS girls because of the hormonal imbalance and insulin resistance. So they might need certain medications to bring down their weight. And then comes to married ladies. Married ladies, maybe they have irregular menses, maybe they have hyperandrogenism feature in the form of acne and excess hair growth on their face. But they are more about their pregnancy because they are finding it difficult to conceive. So they will not need contraceptive pills, rather they need certain pills which will, or certain medicines which will help in ovulation. And it is not easy for PCOS ladies to conceive in one go or early, and they may not conceive, so they might have to be ready for test tube baby or IVF treatment. Then once she has conceived, she was a case of PCOS, she is at more risk of complications of pregnancy like miscarriage or increased blood pressure during pregnancy, or maybe her glucose metabolism is little deranged and she has glucose intolerance. She might land up into gestational diabetes. So special attention and care has to be given to all the pregnant ladies who have conceived after treatment of PCOS. Then at elderly age group, she is at increased risk of uterine cancer, that is endometrial cancer. So elderly ladies who have history of PCOS earlier, they also need some attention. So this is how the medicine part, it varies, the medicine treatment varies according to their symptoms, their presentation and their priorities. Then coming to diet, when we discuss about diet in PCOS, a diet should be such which will manage the symptoms of PCOS, which will help in weight reduction, but it should be able to provide adequate nutrition to PCOS ladies. And the diet should be such which is able to manage her insulin resistance, because many of obese and lean PCOS have insulin resistance. And diet should be such which will help her in improving her inflammation, because PCOS are more prone for inflammation. And apart from all this, I would say the diet should be such that all PCOS should love their meal. It should not be a burden, because it's a long process. She has to continue with her diet. She should have many options to change, and according to her priorities or maybe her preferences, she should be able to change her diet. So that's all for today. In next videos, I'll be discussing about diet in details, and based on my experience, I'll be discussing different options for different meals, like early morning drink and maybe breakfast, then lunch, then dinner and mid-meal snacks. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video, and wait for next video.